Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Dadad's Peri Peri Chicken. There you have it, guys. So as of recording this vlog, they do have branches in Saguin, that is in San Fernando, Pampanga, and then another one in Angeles City. However, they just newly opened sa Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga, where I actually got these chickens. So what is a Peri Peri chicken? Let me read something I researched. No, so Peri Peri is also known as the African bird's eye chili. So it's actually a chili na for those of you who are, into really hot and, spicy dishes. I think Peri Peri is one of the must try para po sa inyo. Now, they have come up with this recipe according to our orientation with the owner. So si Dadad's po is actually worker in Nigeria, and then he learned how to cook this. Now, on our table, they sent us 2 of their chickens. On their menu, they actually have 3 products, no? So meron po silang roasted chicken, which is this one. They also have wings, and they also have grilled chicken nila is butterfly style, which we're gonna be food tasting down the line in the near future. But today, we would like to thank Dadad's Peri Peri for sending us their, the original ones. Anyway, so let's taste this one. You're gonna be seeing some real herbs and spices that are really present in this chicken right here. Whenever they take out yung mga chicken in a box, so they're gonna ask you if you want the mild one or you want the spicy. I'm not sure which one is mild, which one is spicy right now. Let's figure it out. Let's see. So this one, I'm gonna dipping it here. Wow, a very different flavor. Something for you to to try on. No Filipino taste at all. Grabe. So let me taste this one if this is the mild or the strong. Medyo yung first dip has already parang katingling. Ang tawag doon, parang mga tusok ng karayon sa dila ko. Yung spiciness. So this one right here is their mild. This one right here is the spicy. So since we know this is a spicy one, we're gonna dip it again. So another obvious feature na nakita ko sa manok nila, they are actually huge. I think they are around 1.3 kilograms each. So I think that's a little bit heavier than the usual chicken we have. Wow. Now, let me talk briefly dun sa sauce nila, if I may, describe it to you. It's a little bit sour when you taste it, as in, there's gonna be an explosion of spiciness ng pepper na ginamit nila dito. Plus, it's a little bit creamy na medyo yogurty yung experience na malalasahan mo dito. But one thing I can assure you guys, out of this country, it's out of this place na lasa. So again, if you're looking for that kind of experience, you might want to try this one. Wow! Guys, if you're looking for an out-of-this-place Peri Peri experience, you gotta try their sauce, guys. And taste it to believe it. How can you contact them? You can check out with these numbers. For their social media accounts, that's gonna be Dadad's Chicken Official.ph, yung main branch nila. And then the other one is Dadad's Peri Peri Chicken Angeles. Store hours are from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to tag your family or friends, those who are looking for a Peri Peri. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay at home, and God bless us all. Peace. Bye-bye.